Hello, my name is Ashley. Today I'm going to prepare you very delicious beans. We need the onion, we need some little carrot, 1 stalk celery, and we need garlic. And over here I already fried some potatoes, and I chopped it very, very small. You can chop it a little bigger if you want. So, and over here we have a little oil, and we need some bacon for decoration to put or inside or top or whatever. You can use the fat of the bacon, or you can put a little bit any kind of oil that you would love to have it. So this is the onion we're going to put now, and we're going to saute this. And the beans, which is a day before, I soaked it, and now I boiled it. Before you start, when you boil it, the first water when you boil, put some baking soda in it, and then dump it, strain it, because what it does, it takes a lot of gas from the, I don't know, whatever it is, it takes it away, so it doesn't give you, makes you uncomfortable, make you gas or whatever. So, and then when you cook, second time, you put clean water again, second time, and you put a little bit salt in it. And that's what you need to do. So I already prepared it, I already cooked it. It's ready to go. So we're gonna saute the onion, and I'm gonna put this on very, very low heat. So we're going to saute the onion. What we're going to do is a little bit translucent. You can do even a little bit more than translucent. This is 1 onion, it is. 1 onion, 1 carrot, about 4 or 5 seeds of garlic. And the French fries, the potato, which is a French fries, you know, I chopped it very, very small. You can put as you please. We're going to add our carrots. And the carrots, slice it very thin, or julienne, or you can even grind it. So what it does, it cooks a little bit faster for you. And then after all the things, when we saute, we put them all together on the beans, and we will cook it another maybe 5 to 10 minutes, very low heat. Now we're going to put our garlic, and we'll put our celery. This is just 1 stalk celery. It just gives a little bit taste in your dish. Just about 2 to 3 minutes. Now that the onion is done, I'm going to put a little bit pepper. We need a little bit salt. I'm going to put a little bit tomato paste, just like 1 tablespoon. All right. Now the beans, it's ready over here. Let's turn this off. Let's put this over here. Let's turn this off, and we'll pour all this delicious vegetable in. There we go. Here. We'll just mix it once so it blends nice together. And now we will put our potato. And this is too much. I'm not going to put all. That's about like maybe 2 potatoes it is. Now it smells already good. We will steam now this for maybe 5 minutes to 7 minutes. It can be 10 minutes too. Very, very low heat. So the oil and everything, it will absorb it nice together. All right, the 5 to 10 minutes, it's gone. The food is ready. We're gonna turn it off. There you go. It's smelling really, really delicious. I wanted to say that in case, if you don't want to cook your beans, you can always buy ready beans. That's what my husband says I should tell you guys, in case if you don't want to do it. So this is the beans. This is how you serve it. Let's turn the fire off. And then you put a few bacon on it, like this. Or you can spread it. Let's spread this, actually, the bacon like this. And then we'll put few sprig of preserved pepper that I prepared. This is roasted pepper in an oil preserve. So this is a beans dish. You should try it. It's very delicious. It's healthy. If you don't put any bacon or bacon oil, you can eat whole week. Any vegetarian dish that you have a good refrigerator, it will stay whole week. You can enjoy it and you can eat it. Well, thank you for watching again. I hope you'll try this, and if you like it, please subscribe my channel. I thank you very much. Bye-bye.